welcome to part 2 of our tulip pocket video. These are the pockets that I showed you in the last video. This is the one that we made. And then I came across a little bit of a problem, and I decided I wanted to use an atlas and make some pockets out of an atlas, double-sided. But then the problem was, when I turned this one over to make the pocket, it was all upside down. So my answer to that was to make myself some templates. So I made my 8-inch circle, and I made myself templates that I could actually cut out to the right way up. So here I could fit my templates on like that, and that would give me 2 pockets that were both the right way round. Here we have those cut out. As you can see, if I turn those in, they would be the right way up. Double-sided, prefer that I think inside, and the maps on the outside. So here we have the little map pocket made, and now you just decorate however you want to do it. Here's a pocket that I had in one of my journals, and I've just added a little cluster on the bottom, and it makes it so pretty. The next thing was that I didn't necessarily have any double-sided paper. I wanted to make a pocket out of some craft card or craft paper, and I cut it out. I'll put that one to the side. So here we are, the standard pocket, and I thought, well, how can I decorate it? Well, I would have liked to have put some prettier paper on it, that's for sure. So this was one that I made, sticking paper on top of the craft card, and it looks really pretty. So how I did that was to take, the original was made with an 8-inch template. I then made myself a 7.5-inch template in the half circles, because again, if you've got a one-way design, the stripes obviously aren't a one-way design, but my elephant paper was a one-way design, so I had to cut out in half circles rather than full circles. So to do that, let's bring in my stripy paper, remove those to the side for the moment. And tuck those in there. Draw around them. Oh, slipping over the edges. And I'll just go off camera and cut those out. Well, here we are with our 2 half circles cut out, and now all we have to do is to mark and cut these in the appropriate place. Now, because we cut these, we'll call them linings, a little bit smaller than the original circles, we just have to mark, giving ourselves a little bit of a margin, and mark on the other side. Take my ruler and line to square it up and mark down. And mark down. And cut those ends off. Oops. We glue that piece on there. The other one on that side. This piece should fit very nicely into the middle. Like that. Just get a non-gluey piece of paper. And there we have one pocket done. I'll do the other pocket and then I'll come back to you. Right, there we are. Everything is all glued down. All I have to do now is ink the edges and glue them down. And then the fun part is the decorating. So just quickly ink the edges. Yeah, let's glue these down. Just along that bottom edge on both of the flaps. And then a little tiny touch of glue there, just to keep the flap closed. There we are, that's one. There's the other one. And you just decide which one you want on top. There. Turn them over. Draw a line to give you a gluing guide and a sticking down guide. And glue the back here. I'm using 3-in-1 glue for this, but any white glue will do the job just as well. Stick it down. And there we are. Really, really pretty pocket and ready for some decoration however you want. Well, that's it for my tulip pockets. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.